Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a 12-hour format in Windows. First, open your Windows settings by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon. Next, find and click on Time and Language in the left-hand menu. From there, choose Language and Region to access the format settings. This is where we will begin customizing your time display to your preferred 12-hour style. Now, within the Language and Region settings, you will see an option called Regional Format. Click on this to expand the menu. Then, select Change Formats to open the detailed customization window. Here, you can choose a region that defaults to the 12-hour time convention, such as English, United States. This step is crucial for setting the foundation of your desired time display. If your chosen region doesn't automatically apply the 12-hour format, you can customize it further. Look for the Short Time and Long Time drop-down menus. For Short Time, select HMMTT to display hours, minutes, and the AM or PM indicator. For Long Time, choose HMMSSTT to include seconds as well. These specific formats ensure your time is shown in the 12-hour style. Once you have made your selections for the short and long time formats, ensure you confirm them to apply the changes. You should immediately see the taskbar clock update to reflect the 12-hour format with AM or PM. If the changes are not visible right away, a quick restart of your computer can often resolve this. Enjoy your newly configured 12-hour time display in Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.